In the past 24 hours, the cryptocurrency market has experienced notable events. Market movements. Bitcoin, as of now, trading near
Bitcoin is trading at
$100,743,
with a
slight increase
reflecting a slight decrease of
approximately
1.56% from the previous
Ethereum,
close.
the day is holding steady at $2,728.71, while Solana and Dogecoin are emerging as top gainers in the market. Trump administration's actions to promote cryptocurrency and create a strategic reserve. Executive Order on Digital Assets. On January 23, 2025, President Trump signed an executive order titled Strengthening American Leadership in Digital Financial Technology, aiming to support the growth of the U.S. crypto industry. Formation of the President's Working Group on Digital Asset Markets. Chaired by venture capitalist David Sachs, this group is tasked with proposing a comprehensive federal regulatory framework for digital assets within 180 days. The concept of a Bitcoin strategic reserve has gained traction at both federal and state levels in the United States. Federal initiatives. On July 31, 2024, Senator Cynthia Lummis introduced the Bitcoin Act of 2024, S.4912, in the U.S. Senate. This legislation proposes that the Department of the Treasury acquire 1 million Bitcoins over a 5-year period, purchasing 200,000 Bitcoins annually. The acquired Bitcoins will be held in trust of the nation, with a stipulation that they remain in reserve for at least 20 years, unless utilized to retire outstanding federal debt. Congress.gov. Funding for this initiative is proposed to come from the profits generated by Federal Reserve Bank's deposits and gold holdings. Reuters. As of February 2025, the Bitcoin Act is under review by the Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs. The legislative process involves multiple stages, including committee deliberations, potential amendments, and votes in both the Senate and the House of Representatives. Given the complexities and varying opinions on cryptocurrency adoption, it's challenging to predict an exact timeline for the bill's passage. However, with the current administration expressing interest in integrating digital assets into the national financial framework, there is a possibility of the bill advancing within the current congressional session. State-level initiatives. Several U.S. states are also exploring the establishment of their own Bitcoin reserves. Texas. Senate Bill 21 proposes the creation of the Texas Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, a state-managed fund focused on Bitcoin and other high-market cap cryptocurrencies. Maryland. House Bill 1389 seeks to establish the Maryland Bitcoin Reserve Fund, allowing the state treasurer to invest funds obtained through certain enforcement actions in Bitcoin. Illinois. House Bill 1844 aims to create the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Fund within the state treasury to hold Bitcoin as a financial asset. These state-level initiatives reflect a growing interest in adopting Bitcoin as a strategic asset to diversify reserves and potentially hedge against economic uncertainties. In summary, while the establishment of a national Bitcoin strategic reserve is under legislative consideration, its passage through Congress remains uncertain at the moment. The outcome will depend on various factors, including political support, regulatory considerations, and broader economic implications.